Greetings there, fellow viewers. This is TechBizmo back with another video. In this video, everybody, I'm going to be telling you guys my final thoughts about Korora Cinnamon. Let's get started. So anyway, guys, as you guys remember, in my last video, I was using the Korora Cinnamon distribution. Well, the Korora Linux distro, using the Cinnamon desktop environment. And I know I did call that last video my final thoughts about Korora Cinnamon, but I have changed that name, as you can see on the overlay on the screen right now. As you can see, the name is changed to my thoughts about Korora Cinnamon, and that was my current thoughts, but I did not have enough time to, test out a couple of things, find out a little bit more of the bugs that, I've actually experienced. And as you can see now, I'm using Linux Mint Cinnamon. I switched back to Linux Mint Cinnamon again. But anyways, this is my final thoughts about Korora Cinnamon. So anyway, guys, let's go ahead and get into this video. So first of all, at first I thought Korora Cinnamon was a pretty good distro. I mean, it was fairly stable. I love the package manager. I love the pre-installed programs. I love the theming, everything. I love the layouts, all of that stuff. Now, the thing that caught me was just a few bugs. Like, there was this one bug where every time I would plug in any kind of USB device, any kind of a media, it would just take a while to load, or it would just not load in general. It would just show up blank. Now, I would plug in a USB and it would not show up here. It would look just like this. It would look just like that. Yeah, as you can see, I'm actually building a server for my brother. So, I actually moved this to an external hard drive so we can remove that. But anyways, every time I would plug in any type of media, it would not show up. It would take a few minutes, or it would just not show up in general. My next thing is that I had to adjust the settings for it to work along with Simple Screen Recorder. Now, this was not an issue at all. This was pretty fine, actually. Pretty okay. I was fine with it because it did not bother me at all. But yeah, I guess. Yeah, I just left that distribution. I mean, it's not a bad distro. It's just some bugs need to be worked out. It's a little bit outdated, of course, because I don't think they've even got Cinnamon. I think they're on 3.2 now. Let me actually look at that on the Linux Mint website. So we can go ahead and look at that. So we'll just go to there. Okay, Cinnamon 3.8, that's what it is. So yeah, I don't think that the Korora distribution has received an update for Cinnamon, and have allowed it to upgrade to the Cinnamon 3.8 desktop environment. So it is a little bit buggy, as it is, it would start, my computer fan was actually, it was fairly well, but after using it for a while, my laptop would start to get pretty hot, but, that's fairly normal with any Cinnamon, distro, and, pretty much any heavyweight, distribution or flavor of Linux. But anyways, yeah, I guess there are my final thoughts about Korora Cinnamon. So yes, I did leave Korora Cinnamon. I am now using Linux Mint 18.3 Cinnamon. You can see I've got Super Duck's cart right there. I will let you guys know how this ends up if, I stay with Linux Mint for just a full week, because, I have a problem with staying with Linux distros. Well, anyway, guys, thank you guys very much for watching this video and joining into this video. Well, anyway, guys, as I said, it has come towards the end of this video now. Thank you guys very much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.